Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your Afterpay password. So to reset your password, all you got to do is open the Afterpay app or go onto the website on your mobile device or your computer and just tap or click on login to access the login page, and then just tap or click forgot password to initiate the password reset process. You just gotta enter the email address or phone number that's associated with your Afterpay account, and then just click or tap reset password to send a password reset link to your email address or phone number. And then just check your email address or phone number for the password reset link from Afterpay. And now just tap that link to access the password reset page, and then you can enter a new password for your Afterpay account. And once that's done, just confirm the new password by re-entering it in the designated field, and then just tap reset password to complete the password reset process. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reset your Afterpay password. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.